HABESHA. What does it even mean? It is an exonym that comes from Arabic, al-Habasha. An exonym is a name given by outsiders to refer to another group of people. In fact, according to this theory, the term was coined by Turks and Arabs to describe the people from Abyssinia, today's territory of Eritrea and Ethiopia. It comes from the Habashat, an ancient population of Yemen who migrated to today's Eritrea and Ethiopia. The earliest mention of the word Habesha found in the Horn of Africa dates back to the 4th century during the reign of King Ezana of the Aksumite Kingdom, which extended all the way to the coast of southeast Yemen. It is very likely for Egyptians to have been traveling along the Red Sea coast for centuries, even longer. And hieroglyphic inscriptions tell us that the people they met in the Horn of Africa, the ancient land of Punt, were not called Puntits, as we might expect, but the bearded ones, or Hebest, in the ancient Egyptian language. And here, they are referred as the bearded ones of God's land of Punt. The reason behind the confusion around the origin and meaning of the word comes from the fact that we lost a letter that was used first in the Sabaean times and then in Ge'ez. This important letter could be read as He, Ha, or Ke. Hence, Hebesha, Habesha, or Kebesha. So the word Habesha could be linked to the land this people inhabited, the highlands, or Kebesha, but also to the word Mkhbas, which in traditional agriculture is the action of flipping the dirt, moving it from the bottom up. And the same term and movement we found in the preparation of dough or flour when the dough is moved from the bottom up. And to get the bread, or hubesti, and hambasha.
Culture is cool.